Okay, everyone, so let's diving into another case study. This one, it is targeting someone who is a citizen from France, who has a master's degree and 5 years of work experience in marketing, and who's asking how to immigrate to Canada. Let's remember that Canada is a bilingual country. The bilingual is even in Canada's constitution. So everything in Canada has to be in both languages, meaning that there is a huge need for francophone everywhere in Canada. Canada is trying to increase its francophone community everywhere, but especially outside of Quebec. Why? Because most immigrants do not know a lot about Canada, and the first place that they go when they speak French is in Quebec. So there are tons of different immigration programs specifically for people who want to immigrate outside Quebec. For example, one of them is having a job offer in Ontario, for example. So having a job offer under the Francophone Mobility Program will provide you with a job offer and a work permit. This work permit will provide you with a 1-year work experience, which will then allow you to apply for permanent residency under the Express Entry program. Another way is to get an employer who is willing to sponsor you. So if you manage to have a job offer and an employer who, anywhere in Canada by the way, and an employer who is able to tell where I want to hire this person permanently, full-time, for this specific skilled job, and I'm really in need of that person because I was not able to find anyone else to do that job, then there are also high chances for you to directly obtain permanent residency in Canada. Another way is if you are between 18 to 35 years old, there is a program called International Experience Canada. Under this program, you have different streams, which one of them for French people watching us will be the PVT, which will allow you to come to Canada and either travel and work at the same time. So you can work for whoever you want anywhere in Canada. Again, accumulating at least 1 year of work experience will tremendously boost your point for permanent residency anywhere you want to settle later on in Canada. Under the same program, International Experience Canada, if you are again under 18 to 35 years old and you have an employer who is willing to hire you, then again, it's one pathways to immigrate to Canada.